I was not going to make this video, but I just had to share my friend's experience with the gelatin trick after 30 days. She's been doing it diligently, adding a spoonful of gelatin to her morning routine, and the changes she's noticed are really interesting. At first, it was just a subtle shift in her energy levels, but as the days went by, she started to wake up without that heavy, bloated feeling that used to weigh her down. As she continued with the gelatin trick, she found that her skin was looking clearer and her digestive issues started to fade away. It's like her body just started to hum along smoothly, and she felt more grounded and centered. The gelatin trick seems to have a way of gently nudging your body towards balance, and after 30 days, the effects can be pretty remarkable. My friend's experience has inspired me to try the gelatin trick myself, and I'm excited to see how it will work for me. If you're curious about the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for more info, and jump into the conversation in the pinned comment below where I've shared some tips to get you started with the gelatin trick.